This is me in 2019 before AI. I had no clue what I was doing. I was confused, lost, but I knew I wanted to make money online. I wasted days tweaking useless things that, to be honest, customers don't really care about, like the look of the store, if I should sell this product or that product. 1 month later, after spending every single day of the month building out this entire store with 100 plus products, I looked at it and said, it's ready. I could not wait to run my first ad and start printing like I saw everybody else doing online. But guess what happened? I wasted my time, money, and I had to start all over again. This is one of the lowest parts of my life. I thought I was just going to fail and fail and fail. If any of this sounds familiar, trust me, I get it. Because I lived that cycle. Store after store, failure after failure. And every single time it happened, it got a little bit harder to dust myself off and try again. But here's something I wish someone would tell me back then. Your dropshipping story doesn't have to end this way. Because right now in this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools you need to start using that builds complete high converting Shopify stores, all the copywriting, all the sections, and all the images, an entire done for you. And the best part is this can be done in minutes. And another plus, I'll show you exactly how to make AI images that will actually increase your conversions on your Shopify store and increase social proof. Whether you want to post photos on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. And this will be the difference maker. This will make your store look like an actual brand that's been running for years. And by the end of the video, you should have everything you need to launch your store utilizing AI. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, using the link in my description, start your free trial with Shopify today. You get 3 free days. Then for 3 months, it's $1 a month. So go sign up right now. Once you're signed up, you should get onto this page. So now that you've opened your Shopify store, now you're going to get onto this page. This is Shopify, as you can see here. The first thing we're going to do now is we're going to connect the AI store builder. So click that link in the description to sign up with the Atlas AI store and page builder. This is what you're going to use to build the entire store. So as you can see here, we're going to click install, and then we're going to connect this to our Shopify store. Okay, so we've connected Atlas to the store. Now it's going to ask you this. How would you like to get started? Full store, product page, landing pages? No, we're going to go for the full store. And then now what you want to do is you want to find the link to a Shopify store, Amazon page, AliExpress page, wherever, and you want to copy and paste it here. And this is how you're going to get all that information, all that copywriting, all those images put into your store and made better utilizing AI. Okay, so I found the website right here, lumapet.co. This is the product we're going to sell, and this is the nicest store I've seen around this product. So I'm simply going to click to add, and now it's just going to connect to the store. Okay, and you can see we're going to confirm, and that's going to say choose setup. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click use Atlas templates, choose store template, and I'm going to choose one of these that fit perfectly with my product. So I'm thinking either this one or the Griffin one here. Let's just go with the Griffin one because it's already like a pet niche and we can do something like that. So select template, confirm, and then analyzing store structure. Okay, we'll wait for this to finish up and then we'll get on to the next step. Alrighty, so as you can see here, review your store pages. Okay, everything looks pretty good. Build my AI store page. And we'll let this build out. Okay, so here's what we got now. So we connected Atlas and this looks pretty good. We're just gonna do all our product images and all that kind of stuff and then publish it to the Dawn one. But it looks pretty great. The structure looks nice. That's what I really like about Atlas. It has everything all in one. You got your bundles, your upsells, the structure of the entire product page and homepage looks perfect. So that's all we need. Okay, so here with Claude, I'm just gonna ask Claude, hey, I'm signing this red light for dogs. Can you please give me some name options? So I am drop shipping this red light for pets. Can you give me some? Okay, so here's my product. And then what I'm going to do is copy and paste the image of the product here and then just see what it gives me. Okay, so here are some names: Paw Glow, Vital Paws, Pet Lumen, Glow Beast. To be honest, I don't like the options we've gotten, so I'm going to ask it to give me some more. Lumi Paw, Lumi Pet. Okay, let's see. Sola Vet, Vita Beam. Maybe that, Vita Beam. Ratty. No, I don't know. See, I don't want to do vet because that's like a special word. I'm not trying to use that. Lumi Pet. Let's try Lumi Pet. Let's just do that. Okay, so here we are. So I'm going to add some text. And then we're gonna do Lumi, and then I'm gonna copy this one, pet. Okay, so something clean, simple. And I'm gonna use a special font. Let's use Montserrat. As you can see, Montserrat is definitely one of my favorite fonts to use. I just think it looks clean, right? It looks branded, looks professional. Like you want to do one italic and then one more bolded. So look good. And then sometimes you want to play around with the capitalization. So we do something like that. Lumi Pet. Okay. And I'm thinking of doing like the branded colors as like a red that looks like the product. So let's go ahead and look at the product image. So as you can see, they're kind of doing something like red, something similar like that. So I would like to do something similar. So let's just see what this red looks like. Just see what we got. If I can even do one of these words, that red color. Okay, so as you can see here, we got Lumi Pet. So this is the color code I'm going to go with. So always try to just save one color code and go with that color code throughout your entire website. So let's see if this will look better, like this black and then this red. No, I prefer the other way. Okay, so we're going to leave it like this. You can do even all of it the same color. Right, that looks good as well. So let's just leave it like that. But here with the red background, so we're going to make this all white. Okay, so we're just making our infographics here. Okay, maybe that will look a little smaller. Okay, so I'm gonna make all the infographics, just simply find them online and then add them here, and then we'll save all of them. So I just made all of these product images on Canva. Super simple, easy. Just put my logo on the images, made it look super branded, and that's exactly what you want. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our price here, so $59.95. Save that so we have all these product images, and then we are going to change the name, so Lumi Pet, and then we're going to ask Claude to give us a 2-worded motto. Okay, so now that we understand our color code, we made our product images, so now the next step is to actually change up all the colors here. So what we're going to do here is go here, scheme 1, and then we're going to change around the colors. So we got the red, outline, red. Okay, and then here I'm actually have the background as that red color, and then we'll do white here, white text. We'll just keep it white. Okay, so there's that. So we can kind of have that flow, like we can have white on red and then red on white, so we have that nice flow throughout the website. Okay, so let's do that. Now you want to go here, buttons. We're going to turn on corner radius. We're going to variant pills, make sure corner radius on. Then media, corner radius. So we get that rounded edge on the images. And let's save that. Now we're going to upload our logo here. So we go here, settings, logo, and then all you got to do is upload the logo here. Just make sure it's a transparent logo, and then make the image smaller so it looks big when you upload it. Okay, so all we're going to do is click select. Okay, so you can see we have our logo. Click done. And then it's going to upload right here. And we're going to make it bigger. So we'll go like 180. And then I actually like to have the logo in the center. So let's go click here. And then we're going to go to middle center. Save that. And let's also change up the main menu. So we'll go here, edit. And then what we'll do is we'll add the product here. Save. And then we'll make this number 2. Save that. So this will upload in a second. And then let's remove this. Okay, save that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to change up this main menu here. Let's just write free worldwide shipping on orders above, let's just say 60. Okay. And then what I like to do here is make it red. So let's do red background. Okay. So it goes nicely with the logo. And as you can see, we have our main menu done, logo, and then the color code looks clean. Okay. Now what we want to do, we're going to set up the structure because the next step is to change up the colors all over the website. But before we do that, we want to change up the structure. So I'm going to go ahead and change up the structure and then show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so I've set up the structure here. Of course, we got to make changes to the colors, the images, and all that kind of stuff, which we will do. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna click here, and as you can see here, we got like this gray, change that to red. Okay, anywhere you see gray, just change it to red. So here, make it red. Okay, here, you can make it red. And you just gotta go through this all manually. So here, same thing. And that already looks 100 times better. Like, look how clean and professional that already looks. It matches nicely with the logo. It matches nicely with the announcement bar. It looks very clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish all of this, and then I'll come back. Alright, so there you have it. You can see it looks super, super nice and branded. I just cleaned it all up. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the product images all here. Okay, so I've updated the images. You can see, looks super nice, branded. The last thing I'm going to do, obviously, I'm going to add the reviews, which I will show you at the end, how to make real reviews so it looks like your store is branded and you've been around for a long time. Okay. Other than that, everything looks perfect. Now that I'm done the home page, now the next step is to set up the product page. So as you can see, similar to what we had on the home page, we have to change everything up here, change the colors one by one, and then set up the entire structure, which is exactly what I'm going to do right now here. Okay, so here is the website structure. As you can see, I kind of structured it all out. The only thing is that I added some color code onto the photos, as you can see. So let's do some changes here. So a couple of things, for example, this right here, author's name here. What we got to do here is we got to actually create our reviews. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT or Claude, hey, can you give me a couple of customer reviews for this product? And then I'm going to use that review and make an image for the review. So we're going to set that up. Then once we've set that up, we're also going to get a bunch of customer images here with the product in hand with their dog, or maybe just the dog with the customer, so together. And then as well, we will add that here. So we'll add images of customers with their dog and then give a review testimonial here. Okay. Now, once we've done that, we should be good to go. The store should be done. And the next thing we're going to do is set up the bundle offer and then the upsell so we can increase our conversions for the store. So let's go ahead, set up these images here. And then after we'll add our conversion increasing tools. And then we should be good to go. Okay, so as you can see, we still have our chat here with Claude. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it to make me testimonials for this product. And what I personally like to do, I just like to screenshot it, whatever I need to be filled in, and then I'll just write, please give me details for what is needed in this image. Okay, and then it's just going to write me the review. Okay, so as you can see, it's already making my review. So I'm just going to simply copy and paste this into the store, and then we should have a review. So now that we have the review, the next thing is to actually get an image of the customer. So for this type of product, what I'm just going to do is find images of people with their dog. And then we'll just put it here, and then we'll do the same thing for all the other customer reviews. Okay, so as you can see, we've made the necessary changes. I've set up the images here. We have all the product images here. As you can see, if we click through here, we have all our product images. And you can see the color code flows throughout the entire website. We have the review here, shipping and delivery, returns and refunds, image with text. Then we have trusted by 10,000 dog owners nationwide. And we have people with the dogs. Okay, and then we have this image with text again. Then we have this LumiPet versus others, just a chart here. And then what our customers say about LumiPet. So just some testimonials of customers with the product. And then we have FAQs and then just some more information about the brand. So just very branded, professional looking website. And honestly, this is all you need. Now, the next thing we got to do is we got to increase our conversions. So what we're going to add is a bundle offer here, just to have a good offer for our customers. And then when we finish that, we're going to add some more upsells. And then we should be good to go. Okay, so we're going to go here, bundle deals. Okay, so what we're going to do now is create the bundle. So what we're going to do, go here, proceed, create bundle. And then we're just going to pick the bundle we want. So I think this is the best one. And then we can work with the color codes here. So let's go for something red, just like our store. Okay, that looks perfect. Proceed. And then as you can see, we have this buy one, buy two, get 10% off, buy three, get 20% off. So you can do something like this. Sometimes I like to do like a buy one, get one free offer just to help increase conversions. So we could do something like that. Let's just delete one of them. Okay. And then what we'll do is buy more, save more. Okay. Center. That looks good. Okay. Just going through everything here. colors. So if you want to change the colors, obviously you can change them. To be honest, I like to always match everything with my color code. So anything that is red there, I'm going to match it with the color code we have. So I'm just going to take our color code here. And then let's go here, put our color code in. Okay, border color, we're going to use our color code. Okay, so settings, let's just make sure everything's good. Colors, okay, general colors, badge colors, we're going to use our color code. And then we'll use our upsell colors here as well. So anywhere the other color was, the other red, we're just going to add ours there instead. So like here, here, here. Okay, so everything looks perfect. Okay, so as you can see, when I hover over it, it has this red color, but that's too red for me. So let's see if we can change that. So it looks a little bit better. So save that. Okay. And then you can add a countdown timer if you want. That looks pretty good. Let's just go ahead and change the color on that. So it's the same color code. Perfect. And the text. And then when we go to text, let's see what type of text we're working with. So I'm going to do extra bold. Okay, extra bold here as well. And then normal, and that looks pretty good. No, let's do normal. Okay, save that. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So we'll just leave it like this. Okay. And then we'll do like a buy one, get one free. Okay, and then we'll do a buy two, get. Okay, so just playing around with this offer. So we'll do like buy one, and then we'll do like a buy two, get one free. And then we could do another one where it's buy three, get two free. Okay, you want to incentivize them buying more of the product, and then just price it out. So we'll do something like, we'll do like best value and then best deal. So we'll go here. And then obviously you can add some progressive gifts as well to make it even better. But for now, we'll just leave it as is. So let's go to the product page here, check what it looks like. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add this to the store. Okay, so as you can see, I have it added here. So the best thing to do is to check what it looks like when it's actually on the Shopify store so that you can see what you can change. If maybe this looks bad or that looks bad, so you can change it up a little bit. Because what I'm noticing here is when I'm looking at the store, there is a couple of things I'm noticing that would change, right? For example, I think I would remove this hurry offer expires, right? Maybe I'll make this a little bit lighter because it's a little bit too dark, so it flows nicer with the website. So there are things you can make changes to and make it better. And that's it. Your store is live. Your images are done and you're ready to make that first sale. Look, I know how overwhelming this entire process can be. I spent months spinning my wheels, building stores that went nowhere, and the constant wonder of, am I just wasting my time? But this is exactly why I make these videos. Because the tools exist right now and it will help you skip most of the pain that I had to go through. You don't need months of trial and error just like I went through. All you need is the right system. So click the link in the description, get the Atlas AI Store Builder, what I use in this video, and it's the fastest way to go from your product idea to actually launching that entire product. So if this video helped you, then do me a favor, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.